Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do 2022 Jaguar XEL KD Smart Key using KD X4. Okay, we have prepared a KD Smart Key, and this is a original key. The first step we need to we are going to read the original key frequency. The frequency is 433. Okay, if the frequency is 315, we can directly add keys. If the frequency is 433, we need to read the vehicle information to check whether the RFA module is locked. In more programming, okay, the OBD connected. Because it is a test version, so we need to enter the test menu. If you guys are going to do the programming, you can enter this menu. Okay. It is a warm menu. We support 2022 until this year, 2024. According to the operation process prompt, we can know how to do this function. Okay, read vehicle information. Vehicle frame number is okay. Because the module of this vehicle has been processed, it is currently displayed as unlocked. Okay. If the module was locked, we need to dismantle the RFA module, replace a new CPU chip right in the corresponding initialization data, reinstall the RFA module to the car, then do the replace RFA KVM module function, and you can add the smart key to the vehicle. If the module was unlocked, we can directly add the smart key. We will demonstrate to you how to add the key in the locked state. So now we are going to dismantle the RFA module from the vehicle. The second step, the module is here. Unscrew the two screws, remove the two plugs, then it can be taken out. Okay, got it. The module type is KD2. The new CPU chips has been installed and the wires have been properly soldered. Okay, connect to KD X4. Okay, return. Connect the OTG cable. Write file. Okay. Write utilization data KD2 There are 4 tabs. KD2 is it. Start execution. Okay. Okay, read the data successfully. Next step, let's recover the IFA module to the car and then do the IFA module matching function and add the smart key. The first step, we are going to generate the KD Smart Key remote function. Smart Key remote, Land Rover. Okay. This one. Okay. The key generated, so no need to generate again. So we are going to program the key in more programming. Oh, sorry. Enter test version. IFA KVM module matching. Okay. Okay. Have you replaced the IFA chip and written the initialization data through micro programming? Yes. Okay. Okay. Turn on the ignition switch. Okay. Okay. Program. Wait 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, the IFA module data programming is completed. Okay. Configuration is completed. Do you want to start matching the key? Yes. Okay, we are going to match at the smart key. Okay. Number of matching keys 0. Okay. Do you want to match the new key? Okay. For the smart key to be matching in your hand. Okay. Press unlock button. Okay. The vehicle B matching is successful. Do you want to match the next one? Yes. Hold the unlock button. Okay, the vehicle bidding. No. For all the keys around the gear level. Okay. Number of match keys is 2. Okay. Match completed. Okay. Check the remote. Unlock. Okay. Okay. Working. Start the vehicle. Everything works.